Are you ready to boost your math skills? Join us at math.shamam07.com and embark on a journey of learning and growth. Our online math training is specifically designed for Indian, Bangladeshi, and other areas students poor in mathematics, providing them with the tools and resources they need to excel in their O-level math exams. We believe in the power of digital resources to enhance learning. Our platform offers a wide range of interactive exercises, video tutorials, and practice exams to help you master math concepts. We understand that every student has unique strengths and weaknesses. That's why our website automatically detects your areas of improvement and provides personalized exams to help you focus on your weak points. At math.shamam07.com, we are at the forefront of the future of math education. Join us and embrace the power of technology to revolutionize your learning experience. Ready to take your math skills to the next level? Visit math.shamam07.com and start your math journey today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your math skills. Visit math.shamam07.com and unlock your full potential today.